Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, getting the best of the best and the real of the real. BBC's 1XJamaica B has kicked off his annual trip for 1XJamaica. In his caption, he stated there's a lot in store, and he definitely has a lot in store with artists including Jada Kingdom, Kamar Haikon, Munga Honorable, Tifa, and so much more. Speaking of Tifa, which part retirement to go? Because Tifa definitely is on the move this year. She's came out with 3 new songs, including Man Government, Good, and dropped a new video for her song Come Off Amanium, and here's a look at that.
It's featherweight production.
All them a talk, all them a chat, some girl no know about me. So make me tell you about my story. Some girl a chat and them no know about me. Let me tell you no for free. Me no beg no friends, I tell a girl go suck her mad.
Nico's making big moves with her song Melanin, having her guest appearance on stage. Nico also addresses the negativity that were coming from the girls that participate in her Melanin challenge as well. Here's a sneak peek of that on-stage interview.
This week on stage.
One new female artist is creating quite a star with her song, calling on black women to embrace the skin they're in.
Walk on, Miss Melanin. Show off your melanin. See how the queen and on a joke about that. See them a look as a melanin a pop.
When I did this song, because I had the idea for a long while, I'm gonna finally do it. I was like, yo, this other song.
You don't need no makeup when you wake up. Then girl, I just a chat, but them face cake up.
But why are some trolling her in social media?
Melanin, rush by your melanin, gorgeous woman, that's what I'm telling him.
I'm a video caller. And my sister, she a cry. And that did
The mom?
No, the daughter.
The daughter.
Sister, she a cry and all of that. And I'm like, something so positive that I am trying to do could bring harm to somebody.
Melanin. Show off your melanin. See how the
Internationally acclaimed on stage.
British dancehall artist Aleca Harley debuts her song Instructions on stage as well. Here's a sneak peek of that.
Right, here she is now, the latest British-based Jamaican dancehaller, rising in music.
The female we're talking about is Aleca Harley, and in this video she's giving us instructions.
Why come forward enough? Me I get something what you want enough. Regular, don't regular. One is moonlight, but I like chili pepper. Make we chop them one by one.
Aleca Harley continues to make big moves, but also as well as other British dancehall artists. We will see what will come in the future with them as well. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.